Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a way to store and organize a variety of items in your home, these double command hooks are awesome. I use a lot of command products and I really like this particular one because these are kind of a prettier hook, so they look nice when you hang them in your home. They are really easy to use and they're awesome because they're actually damage free. So the way that it works is you have this little bracket and you place the command strip on the back, and then you go ahead and peel that off and place the adhesive against the surface of whatever you're going to hang it on. In this case, it's a door, and you just hold it for a few seconds and then you are ready to hang your hook. So it basically just snaps into place. And the great thing is that if you want to move this, you can just take it off, remove the command strip with no damage to the wall. I move these around all the time and I never have any issues. So these are particularly handy because they do have the two hooks. So I really like to use them on the back of a door for hanging clothes or for hanging towels. And even if there's nothing on them, they still look really nice and they don't look like an eyesore. As long as you're following the weight restrictions on these, I have never had one fall down or come loose or cause any issues. So I particularly love these command hooks. I think these are really pretty and they don't look so utilitarian and they do a great job. So I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.